So I had a coach growing up that as one of his punishment or disciplinary actions, he'd have us do this suicide drill on the ice that we had to do certain amount of skating in under 2 minutes. Well, one thing that I learned is that nobody could ever beat it. They said there was never any players that ever beat it, and the only time that they would actually stop the drill was when somebody threw up from exhaustion. Well, I realized one day, instead of trying to skate my hardest the entire time and burning myself out, that if I actually dug in for the first third of the ice and skated a full sprint, I could carry that momentum the rest of the length of the ice, turn around and repeat. So I exerted about 33% of my energy, but carried myself through the entire skate and finished in under 2 minutes. And from that moment forward, I could beat it every single time. The idea and why I'm sharing that analogy with you is that in practice, we don't want to be working so hard all the time that we burn ourselves out. The idea is to move your legs as fast as you can for a period of time where you can create as much energy and momentum and then ride that wave to the finish. So when it comes to marketing, you want to dig your heels in, put your nose in the dirt, push forward for a certain amount of time, create enough momentum, raise your head up, enjoy that momentum, and then dig in again and repeat. Get on a cycle like that, maybe 4 to 6 weeks hard, come up, enjoy a great weekend, 4 to 6 weeks hard, come up, enjoy a great weekend, and so on and so forth, and boost that practice up to such a premium level that you can ride that wave of momentum for an extended period of time.